Hi, it's Jeanette DePatti for Broadcast Beat. I'm here at SMPTE Technical Conference 2017. I'm so excited to be talking with Keith Lissak, who's the Senior Director of M&E Solutions Marketing for Quantum. That was quite a mouthful.
Yeah, there's a lot there. You can shorten it to M&E, just M&E Solutions.
Okay. So tell us about your, is it Zealous?
Excellus.
Excellus Foundation Storage System.
Yeah, so Excellus Foundation is a product that we introduced at IBC, just before IBC.
Oh,
and
I was
it's
there.
It's a great show.
Yeah,
it's a great show. So it's an entry-level enterprise class storage solution. So Quantum is known for enterprise class storage, from a few terabytes to petabytes of information. It's a Cadillac of storage. And so smaller post facilities, corporate industrial facilities didn't always have the means to access the technology and all of its advantages. We've introduced this Excellus Foundation, which at a very affordable cost allows them to have shared storage, very high performance, up to 4K performance, and really get advantage of all of the things that our major tier 1 post facilities have.
Cool, so tell me about the AI for media workflows with AIware for Excellus.
Right, so AI is a huge topic right now. Everybody's talking about it. I think as an industry, we're trying to figure out exactly where it fits in to our workflow and where we think
how much of it is complete.
How much is ready? Well, so we are resolving that by working with a company called Veritone, which is an aggregator and orchestrator of engines. They're not creating their own engines, they're taking the best of breed engines that are already out there and applying them to media workflows. They're cloud-based. What we're doing is taking that technology and bringing it on-prem so that you can apply cognitive processing to your content as it's being ingested.
Okay, no wait, what's cognitive processing?
AI, it's AI processing. It's the synonym.
Okay.
So you can apply that processing as the content is being ingested, or you can apply it to your archive, because a lot of archives, you could have content there that's been there for 30 years. People may not know what's there. You can apply the AI processing to it to get that understanding of your content.
So this is primarily a private storage system?
Well, what it does is it allows you to work on-prem or the cloud. Okay. So you can work with your storage again as it's coming in, or your archive. We've got specific engines that we're working with. Veritone has access to best of breed, hundreds of engines. If you want to access another engine, you can burst to the cloud and send your content to the cloud.
Fantastic.
And that allows you to save money as well.
Yeah. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So you've got the Quantum StorNext 6.
Yeah.
You have a lot of words here. What are some of the new features of this system?
Well, StorNext is our high performance file system. It's the secret sauce behind all of our appliances, our storage appliances. So it's a multi-tier system, whether it's primary storage, object storage, archive, or cloud. And with StorNext 6, which we introduced a few months ago, there's some key new features like Flex Tier, which makes it easy to move to the cloud and use the cloud as a tiered storage environment.
Okay.
Flex Space, which allows you to have a dedicated space where your collaborators, no matter where they are in the world, can access that, your other StorNext collaborators.
So you can manage the security on that on a case-by-case basis?
Yeah, yes. Well, that's not necessarily cloud-based technology. I mean, you're using the cloud to move the content around, but that can reside on-prem, but some of your other collaborators, no matter where they are, they could be down the hall, they can be on another continent, they can access that as well. And we've added things like quality of service for controlling the performance of your system. Certain tasks, 4K editing, color correction, are going to need more performance than an HD editor would need. So you can transfer some of the performance and lock the performance for your 4K stuff, and this way you're managing and utilizing the bandwidth in a logical fashion.
So is there sort of AI in that allocation, or is that mostly a manual process?
No, the AI portion is, at least AIware for Excellus, is, again, that's with Veritone. That's a separate part of it. You need StorNext 6 in order to bring that in, but that's a different solution.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So tell me about this Clarity Now product.
So Clarity Now is a solution that we're working with a company called Data Frameworks.
Okay.
And that really allows you to look at your file system to get a deeper understanding of what that file system is costing you, and what it's doing to your efficiency. If you're
like on a byte by byte basis, or
it's on a file name by file name basis. If you're building proxies, you may have many duplicates.
Sure.
This will find those duplicates.
Oh, does it dedupe?
It doesn't dedupe, but it will publish a report that tells you what's there. It will help you make decisions on what to either dedupe, delete, and then where to move content to other tiers of less expensive storage. It will find file names with characters in there that, what's the best way to put it? Just file names that do not have appropriate characters, and so the system struggles with it. Yeah, non-standard characters, thank you. Late in the day.
Yeah, I hear you. So we only have 1 minute left, so just let's leave us with one more thought about what you are doing at Quantum that people need to know.
Well, again, Quantum is really about high performance storage. But we offer storage now across the board from your highest, the most demanding needs, up to multiple users of 4K content, down to your smaller post facilities and those who are working in HD, and really looking for high performance shared storage that's affordable.
Well, Keith, thank you so much for being with us today. I really enjoyed talking to you.
Thanks for having me.
Jeanette DePatty from Broadcast Beat here at the SMPTE Technical Conference 2017.